Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. Guys, today, I just clapped super loudly. Today I am bringing you this makeup tutorial right here using the one, the only, the gone but not forgotten Naked palette by Urban Decay. So this palette is being discontinued. I'm not sure if it's discontinued now, but it is being discontinued, and you guys, I have to use this one more time. And just mind you, this is the original one that I got like forever ago. Like, this is the same one. I haven't changed it. Virgin, or is this virgin? Yeah, it's like gone. Like, a lot of them I've gotten really close to hitting pan on, and then virgin, he's seen better days. Look at that one. He's gone. But guys, I love this palette so much. It has been with me through thick and thin. It was like pretty much the only palette that I used all through high school if I wore eyeshadow. I've had this palette for so long, but I really wanted to pay homage to the Naked palette because it's gone but not forgotten, never forgotten. I love it so much, and this is just a neutral palette, and like, this is one of my ride or die palettes, and I put this in my ride or die video. I'll have that linked right up here. I'm rambling so much, but guys, I love this palette. I love Urban Decay. I have loved them for so long. I love their new stuff. I love their old stuff, and it's a bittersweet feeling. But if you would like to see the look that I did create with this palette today, then go ahead and keep on watching. So as you can see, I do already have my foundation base, primer, concealer, all that good stuff on. I really wanted to focus on the eyes today, so I went ahead and did that off camera. So now we are going to start. I'm so excited. So I have it right here, and we are going to go ahead and open it up. It's so dirty. Just look at it. Oh my god. Like, I know some people's, theirs really didn't get all that dirty, but mine did. Mine got filthy. I don't know what happened, but we're going to go ahead and get started. I am grabbing an M518 brush, and the first shade that we are going to go into is going to be two shades, and it's going to be Naked and Buck. Right here, we're going to go ahead and mix these two shades, and I am going to put them in my crease area. And this is a super simple look, so you can wear this like with any lip color that you wanted to. Really, it is quite a neutral kind of fall look, so definitely getting around that time of the season. Very excited. I love fall time. And then Halloween is next month, you guys. Oh my god, how? Just like that. Like I said, very neutral, very brown. Just go ahead and continuing to deepen up the crease here, and then I'm just gonna try to clean off my brush a bit and then just blend the rest of this out because I've got it to like the opacity or like the darkness that I want it. Don't want it to be too dark. Now what we're gonna do next is I am gonna take the shade Sidecar right here. I don't usually put shimmers in my crease. I know full well this is a shimmer, but I want to take this because it's so pretty, and I want to put this just a tiny bit in the crease just to like brighten it up. I don't know, just to make it pop a little bit. I've always done this. I think it's super pretty whenever it's like this, but I know shimmers usually don't go in the crease, so that's why I don't put them there very often unless it's with this look. And just like that, super simple, shimmers in the crease, and that's pretty much it. Now what we're going to do is I am going to take the M433, the both brushes that I used are from Morphe, if you did not know that. Great brushes, great brand, I like them a lot. We are going to go into the shade Dark Horse. Love this song, like Katy Perry's. Literally, did you hear what I said? Love this song. I was thinking of Katy Perry's Dark Horse song. I love this shade. It is a very pretty, rich, dark chocolate shade, and we are going to take that and deepen up the outer V. So right here. Just like that, and it's deepened up. Super simple, you guys. I forgot how easily these colors blended. I haven't used this palette in a while, I just forgot how simple and easy the shades are to blend, so that's dope. Next, and this is actually the last step, or almost the last step, I'm going to go into the shade Half Baked right here, a gorgeous golden shade, and I'm going to take that on with my finger, and we are going to take that on the lid. If you want this to be, see, this already is quite, you know, it is a little dark, especially on the outer corner here. So if you wanted to take a darker shade and put it on the lid, you totally can. I just wanted to put the gold color on the lid just to give it a bit of like contrast. But where's my brush? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go in with it's a shadow brush. It's from Urban Decay as well. I don't know where I got this from. It's been a long time. But I'm just gonna take that same half-baked shade on this brush and then just put it right in the center, not center, but like in the inner corner, just to make sure that I get everywhere. And that is it, you guys. The last thing we're gonna do is I am gonna take the Morphe M506. It's like this small packing blending brush, this one right here, and we're gonna go into the shade Gunmetal right here, the last shade to the right, or the last shade in the palette, if you will. And we're going to take that on this little brush and we're going to put this underneath, almost at the brow bone. That's not right. It's the lower lash line. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of these shades, Hustle and Toasted. So these two shades right here, I'm going to take both of those and I'm just going to blend out the Gunmetal shade that we just applied. Just like that. So guys, that is pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner and lashes off camera, and then I will come back and we will do the lips. And I'm back. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, my liners, lashes, all that good stuff. The eyeliner that I used is the Tarte Sex Kitten liner, and then the mascara is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So if you're curious on that, I know I mentioned it in other videos, but those are the two things that I do use. I have to do it looking in a mirror, or else my eyeliner will be worse than it already probably is. So I wanted to go ahead and do my lips on camera with you guys though. And for today I'm going to be using the Stila liquid lipstick, and it is called Stay All Day liquid lipstick. This is like a travel size, and it is in the shade Chianti. So we're going to be using this all over the lips today. And I will speed up my application because Lord knows this is going to take at least 10 minutes to put this on, so wish me luck. 6 minutes. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but still a long time for lipstick. But guys, that is going to be the makeup look for today. I really love these colors. Now, if this lip is too bold or too daring, if you're not into the berry lips, I love berry lips for fall time and winter time, but if this is not your cup of tea, then 100% change the lip. You can put whatever you want with this. It can be, you know, a brown, you can do a nude, a red, whatever you personally like with this eye look, then just go for that. I just did this because I love me some dark berry lips. But let me go ahead and scoot you guys in so you can see the final look. And starting with the lips, here is this very, very dark, very beautiful, vampy. I love it to pieces. And then moving on down to the eyes, I do love this color combo. I love the gold with the dark, almost black colors that go along with it, with like the dark horse and everything. So yeah, very pretty, smoky eye. I like it a lot. Hello. But you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!